My name is Annie Belanger. I'm from Barons River, from the Kingfisher clan, and I was working with students this week, learning about language. We have community people and also some students that are registered for the class. I think it's really important to learn the Anishinaabe-Mwin, that's the Ojibwe language, and also with language, with culture, because we are told by Okitadazik, by the elders, that we need to know where we come from and who we are, and that's really important. So this week's been very fun. They were able to go on a field trip. We went to Bannock Point, that's in Whiteshell, and we met one of the traditional knowledge keepers there, Ron Mandamin. He was able to have a story about the petroforms, Kete Ujibiganan. So he was able to explain that both in English and in Ojibwe. Students, they're able to participate by learning words in Ojibwe and then putting them into sentences. Ron was able to explain the creation story of Anishinaabe, Shiukaiki Nagamo, and then he was able to do the songs also. That's a very important place because the petroforms there. That was a meeting, the first meeting place for Anishinaabe, and it's still very important today because of all the teachings that are there, and students get an opportunity to see that, and I think it's really important that they're exposed to that information. That's our way of life. We don't leave one out, so we every time on Anishinaabe-Mwin is we talk about both the language and the culture.